Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll look at the different campaign objectives which Snapchat ads offers us when we start building out a new campaign on the platform. So once we log into the account, we can start creating a new campaign. And this is where you get to see all the campaign objectives. The first one which you get to see here is awareness and engagement. So this is going to be the objective which you're going to use when you're looking for brand awareness. You want to get user engagement. So this, as you can see, it optimizes for brand awareness, video views, ad engagement, place promotion. So that is how can be useful. It is really useful for new businesses who are just starting off right now. And what they're looking for is that more and more people should know about them. The second one is website traffic, where you can drive traffic to your website, visits to your website. So with this, we want users to visit our website, check out our product and services. So this is optimizing for clicks to website or app, landing page views, public profile visits, calls, or text. So that is what it will optimize for, where we can bring traffic to our website or app. Third is going to be leads. Leads campaign objective is useful for B2B kind of businesses who want to generate leads for their business. So here we would like to bring people to our website and make them fill up a form. And that is a kind of a lead which we get, which we then contact them and we offer them our product and services. So this particular campaign objective focuses on generating leads, clicks to lead form or website, as we're discussing, website sign up, calls, and text. Then there is app promotion campaign objective. As you can understand by the name itself, this campaign objective only focuses on promoting the app, generating app installs, in-app actions, okay, app re-engagement. These are the kind of things it focuses on. And then lastly, there is sales as a campaign objective, which is useful for driving online sales. You want to get products sold from your website, right? Website conversions is what you're looking for. Catalog sales you're looking for. App re-engagement. So all these are something which we can achieve with the help of sales as a campaign objective. So these are the different types of campaign objectives which Snapchat offers when you start building out a new campaign.